There is a ghost at the center of our galaxy, something monstrous, 4 million times the mass of our sun that you cannot see, cannot touch, and yet it is quietly shaping every single star you have ever looked at. That is Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole sitting 26,000 light-years beneath your feet right now. But the black hole is only the beginning of what our galaxy is hiding. Consider this: the Milky Way is not flat. It is warped. The outer edges of our galaxy curl upward and downward like a bent vinyl record, spanning a diameter of 100,000 light-years. Something enormous, possibly a collision with another galaxy, twisted it long ago, and we are still feeling the ripple. But here is what is stranger. Roughly 85% of our galaxy's mass is completely invisible. Dark matter. It does not emit light, absorb light, or interact with anything we can detect. We only know it exists because without it, the Milky Way's outer stars should fly apart. They do not. Something is holding them in. We just cannot see what. And yet, it gets more extreme. Right now, our galaxy is on a collision course with Andromeda. In approximately 4.5 billion years, two galaxies containing hundreds of billions of stars will pass through each other. The night sky will become a cathedral of fire and light, but almost no individual stars will actually collide. Space is simply too vast, even inside a galaxy. Here is the part no one expects. The Milky Way has already eaten other galaxies. The Sagittarius dwarf galaxy is being stretched and consumed around us right now. Its stars pulled into long, ghostly streams that wrap around our entire galaxy like a wound thread. And the final revelation, the Fermi bubbles. Two enormous structures of high-energy plasma, each 25,000 light-years tall, erupting from our galactic center. We discovered them in 2010. We still do not fully understand what created them. We live inside one of the most violent, beautiful, and deeply mysterious structures in the known universe, and we are only just beginning to read it.